Welcome back to Get the Facts. We're focusing on the micro, small, and medium-sized businesses with Harold Davis, who is Deputy Chief Executive Officer at the Jamaica Business Development Corporation. All right, so we were talking about online businesses. Now, lots of persons might want to take their business online now because of what they saw in COVID. Tell us, what should we consider when we're about to do that? Or should we
Uh,
not do?
Excellent, excellent. Yes, the knee-jerk reaction for many businesses is to go online, and the truth is that the whole business of digital transformation of economies and certainly small businesses is a hot topic, and it has been a hot topic internationally for a while. Many businesses have transformed their trade, have moved their trade and business to business online. But I want to make sure that persons understand that moving a business online is a tool. So the core thing that you need to understand is that it has to be in line with your business strategy. Yeah. And your overarching business strategy will determine the value proposition that you bring to your clients. So if most of your clients are online or offline, it perhaps doesn't make sense for you presently to be offering services online if most of your clients are in fact offline. The fact is that when you look at your online strategy, like I said, it has to be aligned with your business strategy. It is not a technology-driven approach that we need to take. It has to be a business strategy approach that we take. With that said, there are many facilities, many tools that allows you to go online quickly, develop a website quickly, to be able to trade online quickly. But if it's not aligned with your business strategy, you'll find that there's going to be some dissonance there. Yeah.
Yes,
So that's very important for us
yes,
to understand.
right,
But when you go online, you become exposed immediately to the entire world.
right.
Yeah.
So,
If you're not ready for that kind of business and that kind
yes,
of trade, it may not be in alignment with your business strategy.
right. Are you seeing any kind of trends now post-COVID? Are people doing differently with their business? What have you had to be? You have to be doing different. What are you doing to help the business persons now?
Yes, yes. We had to pivot. And the good thing about JBDC is that our structure is fairly robust. As I mentioned before, you have to make sure we have moved a lot of our services online.
Yes,
We have been able to move our support services to our clients and be able to operate remotely. And that took some doing. But in the meantime, one of the things that came out of our initial survey was the need for upgrade and general, training and so on, and sensitization for persons, for businesses. And in the period of 3.5 months, we have done some almost 40 different webinars online. Yeah, we have had a series called Virtual JBDC Virtual Biz Zone that happens every Tuesday. We have an in-concert series for our creative industrial entrepreneurs that happens every Thursday. Plus, we have a program, what we call the Entrepreneur's Journey, every Friday. So we have had to move a lot of what we would do offline online.
right. Based on the protocols, yes,
Absolutely,
yes, yes,
absolutely.
yes.
And that trend we have found, those who have done well as entrepreneurs have done a lot of that. They have, first of all, pivoted, looked at the environment and realized the changes in the needs of their public that they are serving, and pivoted their products and services accordingly,
Right,
pivoted the way in which the services get to the
right.
clients
So, are
accordingly.
you reaching enough persons with that online platform, or all the
Oh,
people you
good
need to
question. I
reach?
think we can always reach more, to be
Yes,
honest.
yes.
But we have reached quite significant. We need to tally those numbers over the period because that would have been a huge number. But on an average, about 80 to 100 persons attend our
Oh,
sessions
excellent.
every
Oh,
week.
excellent. Talk to me about the workshop that you've just completed. How did it go, and what do you expect to reap from that?
We have embarked on an exciting journey and a journey into the social sector, the social enterprises sector. And it's a sector that is so close to the hearts of us Jamaicans because we, I think, innately just want to do good. And social enterprises do good because they have done well.
Right.
So we have had a really exciting roundtable discussion, opening up the discussion, talking about the ecosystem that is needed to support the social enterprises sector. That had gone extremely well. From the days from Wednesday to Friday, we hosted a proposal writing workshop focused again on social enterprises to help them to write winning grant proposal for financing. So again, it's very exciting. The participants were just extremely excited for the knowledge and so on.
Good. All right, so you just had Christmas in July launched virtually. Tell me how is that going and how do we get the products now?
The launch of Christmas in July, this last version of Christmas in July shows us that things are going on in Jamaica.
Things are going true, yes.
Well, yeah, I mean, because maybe you and I might not be of a generation that said, "Boy, 2020 now keep," but 2020 I keep.
Still a keep, yes.
We have a 17, almost a 20% increase in participants exhibiting at Christmas in July.
Good.
What is significant is 60% of those were new entrants and relatively young persons as well.
We didn't get to see the launch. How can we know what products are and where to get them?
Very shortly, in discussions and collaboration with the Linkage Council and the Ministry of Tourism, we are going to be having those products online at our Things Jamaican e-commerce website.
Yes.
There are other participants that will carry the products as well, but certainly we can tell you that very shortly online you'll be able to purchase those products.
We're happy for what you're doing at JBDC, Mr. Davis, and tell us what's next.
Oh boy, we don't have time to talk about all of the things that.
Just one thing.
But recently, we launched a craft policy. That's another level of excitement. We're doing some exciting work in the creative industries as well. Another key to Jamaicans' economic progress as well. We're doing a lot of exciting things. I think the future is exciting and bright for entrepreneurship in Jamaica. I believe that now is the time for entrepreneurs to go back to the core of why they became entrepreneurs, this whole innovation spirit and the spirit of taking a chance and doing something in a structured way to move themselves and the country forward. There are several opportunities that are going to come on the table because of this COVID-19. We just have to be very vigilant and aware of it and go for it.
Excellent. Thank you so very much for coming and talking to us today on Get the Facts.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
This has been Get the Facts. Our guest was Harold Davis, Deputy Chief Executive Officer at the Jamaica Business Development Corporation, the JBDC. Now, the COVID-19 pandemic has forced businesses to innovate and reevaluate the way they function. The difference between those that will boom and those that will not depends on how well they continue to pursue the opportunities identified during the crisis. Remember, JBDC's goal is to help businesses survive and prosper by providing them with business advice, consultancy, and training of the highest professional standard on both generalist and specialist business subjects. Just call them. Until next time, when Get the Facts brings you, as always, more important information, I'm Anthros Campbell. Thanks for watching and take good care.